We've heard a lot of concerns about the lower river, and what my group has done is work to try to quantify what those changes are. We spent 2 summers collecting data every day out on the river and are now in the process of analyzing that data so that we can make decisions about the lower river management on good science.
The lower river is connected to the upper river. It's all one river, it's all one basin, and there's a lot that's happening in the basin.
Understanding a natural system is a complicated process. We are studying the natural environment, and it changes a lot from year to year.
We have to let Mother Nature work and heal herself, and we have to be there to help repair the things that we've done to our resources. I have a lot of hope, and I know we can get there with our partner at PGE.